Okay, so our pork pata is ready. Hello, I'm David. I'm the head chef of Sari Sari Filipino Kitchen, and I'm here to teach you how to do um, pata. It's a pork hocks, and it's a local dish in the Philippines. So we'll start preparing all the ingredients here, and then this will be a very long process. So first we will put lemongrass inside the pot, some star anise, so maybe just two star anise because you don't want it to be overwhelming and overpowering, and then some peppercorns as well, uh, smashed garlic, and ginger, and you have some onions here. And then you put your pork chops. It is an unwanted part of the pig, so we usually do something about it because we don't want to go it into waste. So you put some salt, and that's all. You just have to again submerge it into the water completely. And usually the boiling or the cooking of the hocks takes a lot of time, maybe around 3 hours to make it perfect. So now we will put it into the stove. You just put it. Sorry, I think I made it. Can we do it again? 1, 2, 3, go! So you put it over the fire, and the moment it start to boil, reduce the fire to the lowest because to achieve the perfect pork house, you have to cook it slowly for a long time. Yeah, growing up in the Philippines, my father was a very good cook, and normally he would cook for us, but it takes a lot of time actually. But you know, the outcome will be very good as well when you cook the food with love, when you cook the food with lots of patience. And I think that Filipino cooking is always like that. It takes a lot of time, takes a lot of preparation, home cooked meal, and yeah, I think if we do that, our food will taste better. So after you boil your pata, probably around 3 hours, this is what you will get. So, but after boiling, we need to put it inside the fridge first, just to cool down, and to achieve this color as well and texture. So now it is ready to fry. So we would normally fry this for 9 minutes and over like 190 degrees. And then just put it, yeah, fire. So while frying, I will do the plating while waiting for our crispy pata. This one is sukang pula. So it's yeah, this one. So we make it here as well in Sari Sari. So just to achieve this color. It is vinegar with sweet, sour, and spicy flavor. So The color is also natural, so the color is from the ingredients itself. So this is, we put this on the side for pata. And this one is sinamak. Sinamak is like an Ilonggo spiced vinegar. So it has galangal, garlic, onion, and lots of chilies on it. So the longer it is soaked, the better it tastes. So we put it in here, and we add some soy sauce because that's how we do it in Bacolod. Sinamak and soy sauce. And yeah, we'll just wait for the pata to... Oh yeah, this is from pata, I think. Yeah, I think being a chef, you always get this kind of scar. It is called battle scars. So sometimes you're too busy to put it under running water. That sometimes you just ignore it, and then later on you'll get this scar. Okay, so our pork pata is ready, and we will try to put it in a plate by chopping it first. So yeah, it's really hot, so be careful. So it is crispy outside, but the inside is juicy. So that's that's how you want to achieve your pata. So you just put it like that. Then one more. So basically you just have to break it. You don't have to really chop it hard because it's really tender. And then you just garnish it with garlic flakes and some paprika here, and it's ready for tasting. And here's your pata. A good characteristic of pata is that it's crispy. The skin is crispy, so crispy on the outside, and then here, if you can see the meat inside, it's still juicy, and even if we cooked it for a long time, it's still juicy inside because that's the reason why we cook it slowly. And then you try to, when eating it, you try to dip it in this dipping sauce. So this one is the sinamak with soy sauce, and this one is the sukang pula. So just to improve or the taste of the pata. And we're using here spoon and fork, as you can see, because that's how we eat back in the Philippines, not spoon and a knife. And this meat is actually too tender that you don't have to cut it through. So let's try the meat. Here in a dipping sauce, sukang pula. I can taste all the ingredients that we put into the boiling, into the pot earlier. And then now we will try the skin. We'll see if it's crispy. So the skin here, as you can see, it's actually very crispy and tender as well when you bite on it. So you just try to dip it a little bit. Really crispy and very flavorful. It's really good. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more Filipino cuisine.